Hello and welcome back. Today, we turn our attention to the breathtaking landscapes of Norway, a country whose natural beauty is attracting more visitors than ever before. But this surge in popularity is prompting a national conversation about how to ensure its sustainability for the future. Norway has seen a remarkable boom in tourism, with a record-breaking 38 million overnight stays registered just last year, in 2024. While this influx of visitors brings significant economic benefits, it also places a considerable strain on local infrastructure and services, particularly in beloved destinations like the Lofoten Islands. To address these challenges, the Norwegian government has put forward a proposal for a visitor contribution, often referred to as a tourist tax. In April of this year, 2025, a formal proposal, known as Prop 96L, was submitted to the Norwegian Parliament. This proposal would empower individual municipalities across mainland Norway to decide whether or not they want to implement this contribution. If a municipality chooses to do so, it would involve a flat 3% fee added to the cost of paid overnight accommodation. This includes everything from hotels and campsites to hostels and short-term rentals like Airbnb. It's worth noting that this proposed rate was actually reduced from an initial suggestion of 5% following public feedback. However, the proposal hasn't been met with universal support. The biggest sticking point revolves around who exactly will be required to pay this contribution. As it stands, the current plan for mainland Norway excludes several key groups: cruise ship passengers, those traveling in motorhomes who opt for wild camping outside of designated paid sites, and day trippers. This exclusion has sparked strong opposition from various political parties and the tourism industry itself. So what's next for this legislative proposal? Currently, Prop 96L is under review in the Stortinget, the Norwegian Parliament. However, its future is uncertain. The current minority government lacks the necessary votes to pass it in its present form. Key opposition parties are all against the current structure, primarily due to the exclusion of cruise passengers and other visitor groups. So, while it remains uncertain when, and indeed if, this proposal will become law, if you are planning a trip to Norway, it would be wise to double-check whether this visitor contribution has been introduced in your chosen destinations. Doing so can help you avoid unexpected financial surprises and ensure a smoother travel experience. Thanks for watching and happy travel.